Baking soda is a versatile item found in almost every household, commonly used for baking treats or creating homemade cleaning solutions. However, it also serves as a practical DIY remedy for pest control. It's inexpensive, easily accessible, non-toxic, and widely available in kitchens. While baking soda can be lethal for some pests, for others, it acts as a deterrent. If your home or garden is plagued by certain pests, consider whether baking soda could effectively repel them and learn how to use it to keep them away. 1. Mice and rats. Nobody wants rats and mice in their house, and there are various methods people use to deal with them. Many opt for baking soda as their first choice. Begin by mixing a cup of cornmeal with a cup of either powdered chocolate mix or sugar. Then, add a cup of baking soda and blend thoroughly. To make rodent traps, fill jars halfway with this bait mixture and place them in areas frequented by rodents. This homemade rat poison lures rats with chocolate or sugar and kills them with baking soda. When baking soda reacts with the stomach acids of rodents, it produces carbon dioxide gas. Since rats can't pass gas, the carbon dioxide builds up, leading to ruptures or internal blockages. 2. Fleas. Curious if baking soda can eliminate fleas? Yes, it can. To use this home remedy, simply sprinkle baking soda on your carpets and furniture, then vigorously brush it into the fabric. After that, vacuum your home thoroughly and dispose of the vacuum contents outside. Baking soda dehydrates and eliminates flea larvae and eggs, preventing the infestation from getting worse. 3. Centipedes. Centipedes are drawn to moist, secluded areas such as drains and leaf piles, which might lead to finding them in places like your shower or sink. To reduce the moisture that attracts these creatures, sprinkle baking soda on carpets before vacuuming. If they're in your pipes, a solution of half a cup of baking soda and 1 cup of white vinegar poured separately down the drain will release carbon dioxide when combined, effectively eliminating the centipedes. 4. Cockroaches. Baking soda serves various purposes in the household, including its use in killing cockroaches. However, for it to work, the cockroaches must ingest it. Once consumed, baking soda reacts with the acid and water in the roaches' stomachs, creating pressure that eventually kills them. While effective, cockroaches aren't naturally attracted to baking soda. To entice them, you'll need to mix it with something else. Cockroaches are drawn to sugary and starchy foods, so sugar is the best bait to mix with baking soda. Combine equal parts sugar and baking soda in a bowl, then sprinkle it in corners near your kitchen or other roach-prone areas. The sweet scent attracts the roaches, leading them to consume the mixture. Unlike chemical insecticides, baking soda isn't an immediate solution. It takes about 12 to 24 hours for the roaches to die after ingestion. The timing can vary based on the amount of baking soda consumed and the roach's water intake. To ensure you've eradicated all roaches, continue sprinkling the mixture around your home for a few days until you no longer see any live roaches. 5. Silverfish. Baking soda serves as a natural repellent for silverfish. Apply it to damp areas near drains or rocks where these insects are attracted. In your garden, spread an even layer of baking soda over the soil to deter them. Indoors, sprinkle it on carpets and floors before vacuuming to dehydrate their eggs or remove moisture that may attract them into your space. 6. Ants. Baking soda is effective in keeping ants away from your home or eliminating existing infestations. For prevention, simply sprinkle pure baking soda around doorways, windowsills, and other entry points, as ants naturally avoid it. Additionally, sprinkle it in cabinets, under sinks, and in other damp areas where ants might seek shelter. To use baking soda as an insecticide, mix it with confectioner's sugar. Ants will be attracted to the sugar and unknowingly ingest the baking soda. Here's how to make and use this mixture. Combine equal parts of confectioner's sugar and baking soda in a cup as ants can distinguish between regular sugar and baking soda. Depending on the type of ants, you may add honey, jam, peanut butter, or another treat to enhance attractiveness. Sprinkle the mixture in areas with high ant activity, such as cracks in walls or along ant trails. Seal entry points after dealing with the infestation. Scatter the mixture outdoors on ant mounds, stepping stones, firewood piles, and around trees where ants may nest. These steps should solve your ant problem. You can also make a paste by blending water with the baking soda and sugar mixture, or place some of it in a soda can and leave it outside. Ants will be drawn to the sugary mix in the can, while pets won't be able to access it. 7. Bed bugs. Baking soda is a common home remedy for bed bugs. When applied, baking soda absorbs surface fluids on the bed bug's waxy shell, leading to dehydration. Additionally, the small granules of baking soda can cause internal bleeding by cutting into the bedbug's shells. To treat bedbugs using this method, sprinkle baking soda around the mattress and the surrounding area where bedbugs typically reside. After a few days, vacuum up the baking soda and repeat the process. 8. Cabbageworms. The perfect mixture of flour and baking soda is the solution to rid your crops of cabbage worms. Vegetables from the brassica family, such as broccoli and cauliflower, are irresistible to these pests, leaving your greens with numerous bites. However, simply dusting the vegetables with this powder can keep the worms at bay. Within 2 days, your crops should be free of pests. 9. Hornworms. Hornworms have a penchant for leafy greens, posing a threat to your garden vegetables. You can eliminate these pests by dusting baking soda directly onto their bodies or eggs, which effectively kills them. Alternatively, a mixture of equal parts flour and baking soda serves as a deadly snack that you can sprinkle around your yard to repel these worms. 10. Rabbits. Although rabbits are cute, they can be a nuisance in gardens, nibbling on greens, flowers, produce, and bark. However, they dislike the taste of baking soda. By creating a perimeter of sodium bicarbonate around the plants they favor, you can deter them. You'll need to reapply the powder after each rainfall, but you'll have an all-natural bunny repellent that doesn't harm the animals. I hope you found this video enjoyable. If you did, please subscribe to Natural Remedies and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.